Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine and good in health. This video tutorial will help you that how you can download and upload your answer booklet using your mobile phones. So first of all, you need to go to your Play Store. It could be an app store depending upon the device you have. In my case, it is Play Store. I'll click on Play Store. You need to download two basic apps for you, that is Google Classroom. Make sure you have downloaded and installed Google Classroom in your phone. Once it's done, download another app, that is Cam Scanner. That would be required to scan your answer sheets, your handwritten answer sheets. In my case, it's already being installed, so it's giving me an option to open. Okay, once you are done with the downloading and installation, go back to your home page. Go to your Google Classroom, make a sign in, and then go to your particular class for which you have to attempt your paper. For instance, you have your paper for this class, Introduction to Programming. Click on it. Here you can see three options at the bottom, that is Stream, Classwork and People. Go to Classwork, then go to Terminal Examination Activity Fall 2020. Here you can see four attachments. Number one is your Google form, number second is your question paper, number three is your answer booklet, and number four is linked to the Google Forms. So first of all, you need to open the question paper. Here you need to download the question paper. For that, what you will do, you can see that at the top right of the screen there are three icons. The one is pen icon, the other one is the arrow icon, and the three dots. You will click on the arrow icon first. From here you will click on these three dots which are at the extreme right of your screen. Click on it and you will download it. This is how your paper is being downloaded into your device. Now read the questions carefully and start attempting it on your answer sheets, on your neat answer sheets with blue ballpoint only. Okay, go back to your Google Classroom. After going back to your Google Classroom, you need to open your answer booklet. Click on it. Again, same steps will be followed. You will click on the arrow icon. From here, you will now click on these three dots which are at the top right of your screen. Share and export. Okay, the interface could vary from device to device, so no need to worry for that. You just need to explore the options which your device contains. Okay, from here now click on Save As. Check Google Docs and press OK. Now this is how my answer booklet is being opened in an editable form, and I can make changes to it. Okay, no need to make changes on the first page. At the top first page, you just need to enter your student name over here. For that, you need to click on the pen icon first. Now the editing is being enabled. Put cursor over here and enter your name. Now enter your registration number. Okay, after entering your student name and registration number, you need to go through all these instructions which are for you. Read them carefully and scroll down. Okay, at the bottom here there is an honesty pledge over here, that is to assure that you will not be involved in any unfair means and you will not cheat. For that, you need to tick this rectangular box which is at the bottom of this page, that is students affirmation. You need to double click on this rectangular form to, and it will be converted into a tick mark. For instance, if in your case in your mobile it's not converting into the text, you can write yes in front of it, so that you are abiding by all the instructions, you are abiding by all the rules and regulations. Now you need to insert images of your answers from page number 3. Okay, as you can see, it is written over here, question 1, insert pictures of answer 1 here. So you will click here so that your cursor will come over here, and for that you need to take pictures of your answer sheets. For that, press the home button and go to your Cam Scanner. After going to your Cam Scanner, there will be a camera icon. Just click on it and take the picture of your answer sheet. Now make sure that your answer sheet is visible and it's written neatly. Just tap on your screen to focus it and press the camera icon. This is how the picture has been taken. Now drag these dots to crop the picture to make it proper and press next at the bottom. There are many options over here. You can choose any one that gives the best quality of your picture. After choosing it, press the tick icon that is at the bottom right of the screen. This is how your page one screenshot has been taken. Now click on this camera icon at the bottom right again. Take the picture of your second sheet. Again, focus the screen. Press the camera icon. Drag drag these dots to make it a proper image. Press next. Once it's done, then press tick icon, and this is how you will keep on inserting all the images that are being required to you and that are the number of sheets you have attempted. Okay, after doing this, you need to press and hold the icons, these pictures, images. Once both are selected, you have multiple options at the bottom of your screen: more, delete, move, save to gallery, and share. In my case, I will click save to gallery, and this is how my screenshots have been saved to gallery. Now again press the home icon and go back to your sample answer booklet. Okay, place your cursor at insert pictures of answer 1 here, and at the bottom, at the top of your screen, you can see this plus sign. Click on plus sign. This is to insert something into your answer booklet. Here you need to insert image. Click on image, click from photos, and from here you will select your page number 1 first. This is being inserted over here. Now place your cursor after question number 2. Again click on plus sign. Again click on image from photos, and select your second page. And this is how you will keep on inserting all the pages, all the number of sheets that you have attempted. Once you are done with all this, you need to click on this tick, and again you will click on these three dots. Again you will click share and export. You will click save as, and from here, now this time you will click on PDF format. Press OK. And this is how your answer booklet is being saved as PDF. Now you need to download it. Press download. Okay, you can do another option, that is click on these three icons again. Okay, so by clicking on this download button, my file has already been downloaded over here. So what I need to do is I will press home screen again. Now I will again go to Google Classroom. I will go to the Google Forms. Here I will enter the name. Then I will enter my registration number. Make sure you enter all these details properly. And now upload your answer booklet. So click on add file. Select files from your device. I will go to the files. And here is my answer booklet PDF. I'll click on it. My PDF has been attached. I'll click upload. This is how my file has been attached at upload your answer booklet button. Now make sure and submit. So this is how your response has been recorded, and this is how you have submitted your paper. This is all for your downloading and uploading your answer booklet using your mobile phones. Thank you so much.